Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Inviting all of you to the video series of Expert in Python Automation using Pytest-Playwright. My name is Rajesh. In this video, I am going to discuss about Playwright Assertions Part 3. Next assertion is to have count. This is used to validate the child node count. Suppose if I wanted to check the count of the input element, so I have to specify the input tag here. So this element, it will return multiple input elements. So here, to have count of, so I'm just randomly giving one number here. So definitely it is going to fail. So the test is failed because see, the expected value is 2, but the actual value is 17. So which means 17 input elements are there. So if you specify 17 here, it is going to pass. See, the test is passed. So the next one is to have CSS. This is used to validate the CSS values such as color and font. Let us validate this continue button. Copy the CSS selector. So it will accept two parameters. So first I will verify color. So we have to specify the color here in the second parameter, that RGB within bracket. You have to specify the three numbers, RGB color number. So I will give random number. This is going to fail. So if you see, it is failed. So the expected value is RGB 2323 123, but the actual value is RGB 255 255 255. So I'm going to copy this value. So now it is passed. Next one is to have ID. So this is used to validate the ID of the selected element. Let's select the email element. So we have to specify the ID. So here the ID is email. Next assertion is to have JS property. This assertion is used to validate the JavaScript property. I don't have the example for this assertion, but I will explain you how to implement it. So if you see this notepad, this is something like the DOM will look like. So here we should have a scripting like this. So if you see, example is a element. So we are setting my property value to 42. So in our Python code, we have to validate like this. So we have to use this to have JS property, and we have to specify the property key value and then value. The next assertion is to have role. This assertion is used to validate the area role of the element. So let's take one element, just to find out by role. We will take this example. So here the role is this one, banner. Next one is to have text. So this assertion is used to validate the element matches with the given text. So I will take this element. So we have to copy this text. So here we are validating this text with the element. Test is passed. Here I am stopping this video. You can watch the continuation in Playwright Locators Part 4. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please drop a comment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my future videos. Stay connected with me for the next one.